Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to fix Instagram message swipe reply not working. So first thing is open the Instagram, and if you're having an issue where Instagram message swipe reply is not working on your Instagram, there are a few things how you can fix this. So first thing is you need to clear the Instagram cache storage. So what you need to do first is open the setting on your phone device. Tap on setting. Once you're at the settings section, you need to go to apps and notification. Then you need to open the Instagram app info page. This setting is different for each Android devices. So just go to the setting and you need to open the Instagram app info page where you need to tap and open the storage and cache. Tap that, and there you need to tap on clear cache. Tap on it. This will clear the cache that you have on Instagram, and this might fix the issue that you're having of swipe reply not working. Now this is a one way how you can do it. The another process how you can do is you need to update the Instagram. If your Instagram is not up to date, this kind of error might occur. For that, go to Google Play Store on your phone device. On the search bar you type in Instagram, and there you need to update the application. You tap on update. Once the update is completed, you might see that the swipe reply issue has been solved. Now that the update is completed, tap on open. So this is the second way how you can try fixing the issue. Even after all that, the issue has not been solved and you are still not being able to swipe reply on Instagram, you need to report this as a problem to the Instagram. For that, you need to go to the profile first. Then you tap on the three horizontal line on the top right. There you need to go to setting and privacy. In the setting and privacy, you scroll down to the very bottom, and there you will have the option of help. Tap on that. Now here you tap on report a problem on the top, and now you need to tap on report a problem. Then you need to go and give them the information or details about the issue that you are having in your Instagram account. You just type in the text box that you're having an issue of Instagram swipe reply not working. And then tap on send. Once you do that, they will get in touch with you or text you or contact you with the related issue. So this is a way how you can try fixing the Instagram message swipe reply not working. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.